Welcome to ISO Bitesize mock test number 2. Let's go. Question 1. What is the purpose of Clause 8.2 in ISO 9001? Let's take a moment to think. The answer is to determine customer requirements. Question 2. What does Clause 6.2 require organizations to establish? Take a second. The answer is quality objectives that are measurable and aligned with the quality policy. Question 3. What are organizations required to determine under Clause 4.1? Think about that for a moment. The answer is internal and external issues relevant to their purpose and strategic direction. Question 4. Who is responsible for communicating the importance of effective quality management? Let's give it a moment. The answer is top management. Question 5. What is the purpose of Clause 7.4 on communication? Take a little time to decide. The answer is to ensure internal and external communication is planned and effective. Question 6. What does Clause 7.1.3 refer to? Have a think. The answer is the infrastructure needed for the operation of processes. Question 7. What must an organization provide to ensure valid and reliable monitoring and measuring results? Give yourself a moment. The answer is appropriate resources. Question 8. What is the purpose of Clause 8.3 in the standard? Let that one sink in. The answer is to ensure proper design and development of products and services. Question 9. Why is the control of externally provided processes important? Think carefully. The answer is to ensure that outsourced processes meet specified requirements. Question 10. What is required under Clause 9.1 for performance evaluation? Give it a moment. The answer is monitoring, measurement, analysis, and evaluation of the quality management system. Question 11. What does Clause 10.3 focus on? Take a second. The answer is continual improvement of the quality management system. Question 12. When must corrective action be taken? Think that through. The answer is when a nonconformity is identified. Question 13. What is required under Clause 7.2 regarding competence? Let's take a moment. The answer is to ensure that personnel are competent based on appropriate education, training, or experience. Question 14. What must be retained as documented information according to Clause 7.5? Think about that. The answer is evidence of competence and results of reviews and audits. Question 15. What is the role of top management in customer focus? Give yourself a moment. The answer is to ensure that customer requirements are determined and met. Question 16. What must an organization do to address risks and opportunities? Let that one settle in. The answer is plan actions to address them and integrate these into the QMS. Question 17. What does Clause 8.5 address? Take a second. The answer is control of production and service provision. Question 18. How should documented information be controlled? Think carefully. The answer is to ensure it is available and suitable for use where and when needed and protected. Question 19. Why are management reviews conducted? Give yourself a few seconds. The answer is to ensure the QMS remains suitable, adequate, and effective. Question 20. What is the importance of Clause 9.2 on internal audits? Take a moment. The answer is to verify conformity to ISO 9001 and the organization's own requirements. And that's it for this set of questions. Make sure to listen again until you get all of the questions correct. If you enjoyed this and found it beneficial for your learning, find more free learning resources at Bitesize ISO on Facebook.